Okay, greetings once again on this interesting night. Should see somewhere near the center of your screen a little white speck, and if I zoom in, that little white speck turns into Jupiter with cloud bands, which I finally managed to coax into view by using an Aperture Reducer, a Lunar Filter, and the lowest possible ISO setting and exposure value. Can't see any moons, obviously, but hey, cloud bands, finally, given the technology that I happen to have on hand. So, getting a sharp focus is a little bit difficult, because every time I touch the focus knob, everything disappears, but doing the best I can on that one. Although it is easier to focus with DSLR camera rather than open camera, which is, of course, again, what I'm using to record this. So, This proves the concept. This proves that we can, in fact, show Jupiter with its cloud bands on our big TV, as it's not quite as impressive as the view as putting your eye up to glass, but we're not really trying to replace that. This is more of a supplement to that experience, or the next best thing for people who can't actually make it to an eyepiece of a telescope. But here it is, finally. All that work is paid off. Although I'm not quite done yet, because one thing I want to try, in addition to recentering and focusing, is adding a second lunar filter to the stack. Right now I'm using a 15 millimeter eyepiece, and I took a 2x Barlow and I actually removed the lens, so I'm using the Barlow as a extender. And right now the lunar filter is screwed into the Barlow tube. I could hypothetically screw another one into the eyepiece, the 15 millimeter, and stop this down even more, just to see what happens. See if that allows the camera's auto ISO mechanism to pick up what we want it to pick up the cloud bands. So right now I'm forcing the ISO to 100, which is the lowest manual setting I can get. So anyway, although the camera can go lower, it can go down to 80 according to the metadata and some of the images I've taken thus far. So anyway, here it is, finally. All that work paid off, at least to some degree. Images look better in DSLR camera on the viewfinder, like I said, and it's easier to focus, but we can get this on the TV, be it still images or a live video feed through my contraption that I demonstrated in a previous video. Sweet. I'm happy. This night is paid off, even if the wind is blowing and it's a little bit chilly. Anyway, I'll let this run up to 4 minutes and go from there.